Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram story music no result problem. Okay, let's start. See your problem, Instagram story music no result found. Okay, let's start. Fix this problem. Go to your phone settings. Click on apps. Now find out Instagram apps. Clear cache and clear data. Now allow all the permission. Go to your Play Store. Search Instagram. Update Instagram latest version. See your Instagram update available. See your problem, solve it successfully. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.